keep getting better and better.
Hey, come on, man. He gonna electrocute your nipples.
Life with Jeezy, man. Make sure y'all tune into the channel, man.
Yeah, I see.
Be like me, support him, man.
Yeah.
Get it.
What it do, Jeezy gang? It's your boy Joe G's, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back. And today we getting the brakes changed because Coco sound like a poo putt, and it sound bad. We got little Cuz doing the work for me. Yeah. Shout out to little Cuz, little Quez. I remember this little nigga was a little nigga, man. Now he grown, working on cars, doing his thing. I'm proud of little Cuz, man. I'm telling y'all, my circle full of talent. Y'all better catch up, cause we ain't stopping, and we gonna keep on rocking. And I'm about to kill these fries, so I'm gonna be back with y'all in a second. I remember when I hit 21, Dickie sent me some money, bought a bottle of Grey Goose. Man, when I tell you, I had this the first and only time I can remember having a birthday brother. The first time I remember having a birthday party. Man, nigga.
You said 21?
When I was 21. Man, bro, I was so fucked up. I woke up the next day with no shirt on, my pants down, all kinds of things. Crazy.
My 21 was crazy.
Man,
I mean, it was alright.
21, one of the reasons I don't drink no more.
I mean, I cheated.
Yeah, nowadays, motherfuckers, if you ain't out getting active, shit, ain't even no need to be out there when you hit 21.
I ain't doing no fun. You gotta have a little cake.
I don't even fuck the cake out like that. I eat like 2-3 pieces. That'd be big. We come, don't buy me no cake, you gonna be mad. That motherfucker gonna get wasted. I mean, 2 or 3 pieces, and that's it. If I eat those 2, I might only eat 1.
This been having trouble going on. Next year in May. Next year.
So about a year?
Yeah.
Ain't so bad. And you already been doing it for about almost a year, huh, now?
Yeah. So 2022 in August when I started.
I ain't even putting in that what? I'm surprised there ain't no celebrity timbers over here.
What?
Snakes around here.
So I'm in between a 22 and a 23. That 23 found there. But this one fit. That one just swole. That one swole.
You said it's swole?
Yeah,
oh,
this one, just this one.
They might have switched it out. Cause when I got it fixed, when dude fixed it, this nigga ain't put he left some lug nuts off the front of that mug. There's one missing on that one and one missing on the other one.
Did they say it broke or something though?
Nah, he ain't. I guess he didn't put them on. I forgot what I wanted to go do, and somebody was like, "Hey, you know your lug not missing." I was like, "Nigga, what?"
Word.
I looked at that shit.
Oh yeah, they
like
it's right there. So somebody really did just
the lug. I'm like, damn, that's on both sides. I'm like, damn, that ain't shit.
Cause on mine, I'm missing mine, but it's cause the stud gone. But your stud right there.
Yeah, nigga just put the lug nut back.
Yeah.
I think that's where the locks was at. Nigga ain't put the locks back on there. That little Cuz over here getting me with night.
Hey.
I'm gonna do
a little slow. So taking them off. It's the big one though.
That's jukey juke.
Yeah, that's the one though. I don't know if I skinny one is going on there.
Came straight off though.
Yeah.
Alright y'all, so it's this part of the install that I'm gonna start paying attention to so I can learn how to do this shit myself. Don't get on my ass. I did it once my whole life. I did it once. Ain't did it since. So fuck you if you got something to say. You got them extra large lug nuts, boy.
Did you ever get some?
What, struts?
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
I ain't never seen them like with the paint on there and stuff. It look aftermarket.
Shit, probably not.
Smooth jump.
Man, this shit needs some new shit. I need to figure out why the fuck it got like a little, I don't know, like, I want to say like it, I don't know. Like, when you look at the articulation on the little menu, you can see it like, this shit ain't straight. It kind of like it got like a dip in it or something.
Well, like the actual...
Like, nah, it's like this whole, I'm thinking it's this whole thing. I don't know what it is. I seen that shit when I was looking at the information on the car. I was trying to figure out what the fuck that shit is and what I would have to get to fix it. That'll probably help it lift up. I don't know why the fuck that motherfucker don't lift.
I'm doing some crazy improvising. So look real quick. So what they told me, they said because this is right here, the control.
Yeah,
in a way.
Shorter thing.
Yeah, I can't use this. Oh. But
what size is it that you needed?
it was 7 mil. But what I did instead of doing, cause first they were saying I should do this. Boom, but this wasn't catching. So I put this on there, put the angle 2 on there, then this. Yeah. Oh God. I like cars, man.
Damn, I had one of them angle tools too. I don't know what the fuck I did with that shit. I ain't never used it. I thought I was gonna have to use it when I changed out my grill. I ain't even need it. I just kept. I was like, man, I'm gonna keep this motherfucker. Now I don't even know what the fuck I did with it.
I'm seeing fun.
Yeah, and it was one of the drill ones. You put that bitch on your drill, that motherfucker be gone.
Yeah. You took it on 2K?
Mm-hmm. I was just on there last night. Caught a couple L's before I got off, boy. I had to tell my dude, like, hey, bro, I ain't playing with what's name now no more. You hype them up. You tell me that they be winning. I ain't caught a dub with them yet.
Where I be?
Yeah, I'm like, shit, if I'm a loser, bro, I just rather just lose with y'all niggas. You be on there?
I need to be on there a little bit more. I got it, but I ain't played it in a minute. I wanna play though. I made a shot creator and he was clowning.
See, I just started back playing it too. I bought it when it came out. I think I played it for probably a month or two, and I just now started back playing it. And like, cause I'm an old 2K player. I'm used to when 2K was like really, you had to really like know how to play basketball to play 2K. Now it's like arcade type. Like, so I had to figure the mechanics out. Now that I get the mechanics, it's like, all right, y'all niggas in trouble now. Now I want to play more. Niggas in trouble now that I got the little arcadey type mechanics. That arcade ass shit.
Yeah, they be doing mad cheese moves.
You like, bro, ain't nobody. We had one nigga in the NBA that was ever doing that, throw that shit behind his back super far and crossing you over. It was one nigga like that. That's Jamal Crawford, bro. That's the only nigga that ever had that move. Everybody on 2K got that son of a bitch. And it ain't no way you can stop it. That's crazy. But it is. You just gotta stand still. And then, cause all they doing is rocking side to side. Yeah. That's how they get you. They get you trying to chase them. You stand still, they ain't gonna do nothing but end up right back in front of you. What the fuck you thought you was doing? I wonder, he built the defender just for them type niggas with a 99 steal and 99 perimeter defense. Say ain't no more that cheesy ass shit. Man, that nigga and his dude called and he can shoot threes. I was like, alright, that's what we need. I get the rebounds and shit. You shoot the threes and you get the steals. I'll hold the paint down, bro. Hey, he got that motherfucking pad over there, boy. Look at that shit right there, nigga. God damn. Oh, it's some new ones right there. It was new one. This shit look bad, boy. Damn, Joe, how you let your shit get like that, boy? Shit was scrapey to the scraping. It was hard getting them screws out of there.
Yeah, it's this. So this one was keeping it from coming off. It was just a little bit too much in there. I had to keep going. So it'd be like that. It'd be like that. take it out. I was looking at the rotor on the inside because I seen on this one got a pattern. It's a little bit, if you see right here, it's a little bit of pattern, but here it's stronger right there. And on the back, if you look, you can see a little bit on the rotor. Now on the back side of the rotor, you can see that pattern.
Oh yeah.
I just say that with these, that's catching the finger, and on the back, it'd be a good time for a new rotor, so the new brakes don't get the that same thing.
I want to get some better brakes anyway.
Yes, sir.
I had to get some quick shit. The last ones I had, them ones, boy, these motherfuckers been on here for like 2 since I got this shit.
Wait.
But again, the car was down for like 6 months, so it just sat on here for like 6 months. Well, nah, shit, my car was only down for like 3 months. It sat on there. I bought it. It sat on there, motherfucker, for 3 months, brand new, sitting in there in the winter, getting cold and rusty.
Word. Oh yeah, that.
My shit was down, though. Man, what? My shit was getting snowy. This shit was getting rusty as fuck, bro. When I first got it fixed and we drove it, boy, it was so much rust on them calipers, man. That shit look crazy. Oh, that motherfucker, that shit went straight away.
Oh yeah, that's how it be. Word.
Them little bubble spot, little rust spot. Jordan, I was about to be mad. I'm like, man, Pops was like, man, nah, you just gotta drive it. That's all that shit gonna come off. It's like, all right, I was like, damn, I gotta replace all this shit. Brakes brand new. Hey, damn, brake. I put brand new brakes on that motherfucker. My engine went bad. I'm like, damn.
I don't got no gloves on no more. They just come
If
off.
you want to, bro, I can cut the fingers off of these and make it easier for you to use them. You want to do that? Yeah. Boy, getting it done, man.
Yes, sir.
That real work. All y'all niggas be perpetrating acting like y'all be working, but y'all don't really be working. We really be working around here. My boy Nasty Nate over there, cutting up. All right, y'all, he done got the one side done. About to move on to the other. Get this stuff put on over there. Y'all see it? Hey, don't laugh at my crazy hair, man. I'm letting it grow so I can get some braids for the second time in my life. I know I look roughy to duff, look scruffy to scruffers. Out here looking crazy, just like this. Here we go. Ew, made easy work of this side, boy. See, he made easy work on this side. He wasn't playing. I'ma say it one more time and I'm not gonna stop. For all you niggas that say mama sa mamaku sa, he say I'ma say it one more time and I'm not gonna stop. I hope that fuck y'all head up just like it fucked mine up. I'm sorry they just ruined Michael Jackson's song for me like that, bro. Why I gotta be I'ma say it one more time and I'm not gonna stop? It's supposed to be mama sa mamaku sa. Everybody know that. And then until they broke down the real lyrics of the song, they ain't shit. All right, y'all, little cuz got me right. Got me back in there. You know, see it back over there. We had to park on the street. Little cuz definitely got me right. I know I look black as hell, sweaty as hell because it's hot outside, y'all. Shout out to little cuz again for getting me right.
Yes, sir.
Tell them where they can find you at, little cuz. They need some work done.
Man, so we got, I don't like my socials though, I ain't gonna lie.
Shit, bro. Hit me up and I'll point you in the right direction.
Yes, sir.
I'll get you to him. Whatever you want to give him.
So we go number, I got 513-512-7193.
You need some work done, hit him up, man. Or like I said, hit me up and I'll get you to him. And make sure you get right. I'm trying to clean them boogers out y'all nose. All right, cuz, I appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
But no, I got some more stuff, like I told you before, I got some more stuff that got to get done. So we gonna be doing some work. And we gonna see y'all in the next one. Hey!
Tell them niggas I ain't playing games. Tell them bitches I ain't playing games. Tell the judge I ain't saying names. Tell my real niggas maintain. Tell my real